It was barking aggressively, it was loud, I didn't do anything, and then it came up and bit my leg.
A report of a dog bite draws officers into a busy San Francisco street.
The dog is not responding to our command. Neither is he. Get over here.
Triggering a rapidly escalating public safety incident.
You're under arrest.
So the dog came up to you. Was it aggressive coming up to you?
Very.
Okay.
It was barking aggressively, it was loud, I didn't do anything. I just kind of stood there and was like, hey, I have a dog, I get it, whatever. I'm like, oh, hey, whatever, and then it came up and bit my leg.
Surveillance video captures the initial dog bite involving the passerby.
And the dude, I guess, that was responsible for it, I should get the information for it so that I can take him to court, was just walking behind it nonchalantly. I then walked up to a cop car.
Moments later, officers located an off-leash dog and the individual believed to be its owner, but the man refused to acknowledge the officers. Not long after, the same off-leash dog is seen moving through the area and tracking a pair of joggers, repeatedly closing distance and coming uncomfortably close. Despite repeated warnings and efforts to gain compliance, the threat continued in an area with active pedestrian traffic.
Huh? Yes. Yes, you're being detained.
There's nothing to me that does anything bad.
Is that your dog?
You're not asking the right question.
Is that your dog? It's assault! Hey! Stop! Sit! I will blow your dog away!
Hey. John 12, David.
No!
Get over
stop!
That's my friend.
John 12, David.
He was just saying hi.
Get over here.
You're under arrest!
Give us another unit here. We're at O'Farrell and Market.
Watch it. If you touch him, the dog's going.
I'm gonna shoot your dog, man. I'm gonna shoot your dog.
You're under arrest.
Get over here, your dog's gonna get shot.
Market approaching 4th. We have a suspect with a dog. The dog is not reacting or responding to our command. Neither is he.
Get over here. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop!
Get over here. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop!
The off-leash dog becomes aggressive,
Stop!
barking, closing distance, and lunging toward the other officer. The officer backpedals as the dog charges and fires a single round, striking the dog in the leg. Almost immediately, the man turns toward that officer, raises a bottle, and advances, throwing it as he closes distance. A second shot is fired, striking the man in the thigh. Despite that, he continues forward, briefly grappling with the officer before breaking free.
Get on the ground! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Still refusing to comply and continuing to pose a public safety risk, the man runs from the scene with the dog following close behind.
Hey, Fur! Brian, watch out! Dog's coming behind you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Well, David! On the ground! On the ground!
The incident did not end there.
Dog!
The dog remains active and unsecured and bites one of the arresting officers.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt, bud. It's gonna hurt a lot. You're okay.
Both the man and the dog survive the incident, and officers are eventually able to secure the scene. The man is taken into custody and booked into the San Francisco County Jail on multiple charges, including assaultive behavior toward officers, resisting arrest, and violations related to the dog being off-leash and involved in an unprovoked bite. Investigators also report the recovery of narcotics paraphernalia.
All right, you're good.
Encounters like this reflect the unpredictable situations officers face in everyday public safety responses.